Yo guys, what's going on? It's your boy here, Landry Jones, and today I'm just gonna do like a simple video. Sorry if the camera's shaking, this table shakes. I say that in every video, god dang it, I need to stop. But so I'm just gonna be rebuilding my scooter, answering a couple questions of yours that you guys give me on Instagram and Snapchat. And by the way, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is Landry, LANDRY _21 _Jones, JONES, and it's like this. Focus, you can do it. You can do it. Alright, cool. And yeah, and then if you want to follow me on Snapchat, let me pull it up real quick. It's ZOMBSANE, and it looks like that. There's the snap code. And if you saw that DM, that's from a YouTuber named Marc. I'm not sure if I pronounced his last name right, but you should go check him out. He's almost at 700 subscribers. He's got 6 scootering tricks, and he's like he's shreds. It's sick. Go check him out. I'll link his channel in the description below. So let's get started with this. Let me get grease. This is gonna shake the camera a lot, so I have to get a brush if I have one. Look at how hairy that is. That's disgusting. So we're just gonna start by greasing up the headset cups in my deck. Just helps preserve your headset, and you don't want too much, just a little bit. Now we're just gonna slide the fork in, not reinstalling wheels. That's pretty slow. That looks pretty trippy. So about like my uploading, because I know it's summer and everything, and I said I was gonna upload more. I'm gonna try to. I'm just super busy with a bunch of stuff right now. Like, I just have too much stuff to go on, like to do every day. I'm gonna try to get 3 times a week. Or I'm gonna start off with 1 time, just get used to like uploading on a schedule. I'm gonna try to get 3 times a week. I don't know how well that's gonna work out, but let's hope. Next, you're gonna get your top headset. I use tilt headsets. You can use whatever you want. They're pretty much the same thing for all of them. Let's clean that up a little bit. And then I like getting grease and putting it on my top bearing, because that's where a lot of dirt gets in. You just wanna dab it. Much at all, or it's gonna slow you down a lot. Okay, cool. Now that we're done with that, we can get this. So if you run IHC compression like I do, they give you this special little ring that you have to use. I don't know why, it just makes it fit right. Okay, put that in. Alright, I also got a request on how to change grip tape, but I'm not gonna order new grip tape because I don't need it. So literally this is all you gotta do. Okay, get your grip tape, get a little carpet knife, like a razor blade, lift it up, peel all this off, take off your wheel and your brake and everything, get your new sheet of grip tape, lay it down, get like an Allen key and scratch up the sides a lot, and then get your razor blade and cut it, and then reinstall everything. That's all you gotta do. Make sure you have no air bubbles and like pat it down and everything like that. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Now I gotta put on these little, if I can pick it up, come on. There we go, like these little headset spacers. Otherwise my deck rubs like it's so flush. I use 10 of them because 1's not enough. You're supposed to use like only 2, but whatever. And then I have the other 10 on there. And this is a little shim, so you just plop that on. Next, for your bolts, get a little bit of grease. You know, whatnot. This one's kind of greased already, but I'm just gonna put a little more on, just to keep it nice. And then when you have ICS, it's just a long bolt that compressions your. Oh, that's. just fell off.
R.I.P. I mean, 2017. Alright, I think that's everything. Alright, so now back to it. Got the headset back in. Get this thing on. Get all these 10 stupid headset spacers. That all fell off. So stupid. I'll take a clean off my hand. I'll start answering questions. They're all greasy. Alright, now.
And drop it through. Make sure this goes all the way down. Just start threading that in. Should come on camera pretty soon here. There we go. So you're just gonna twist that in. Okay, everyone says that on that video where I got like 1,000 views that I like bought views, but I actually didn't. I don't know how that happened. Like it's an anomaly to me. Okay, so once you got it like pretty much hand tightened. Okay, look at how great I'm killing it today. Don't get me that, please. Look at this grease all over the wheel. That's awkward. Oh, I almost dropped that. That would have been bad. There's grease all over the wheel. Clean that off. Okay, now you're gonna get, if you have the same fork I do, most compressions are 5 mil or 6 mil, whatever size you have. Get it in, start tightening it with that. Oh, you hear how gritty that is? Alright, and tighten it. And you're just gonna want about half rotation, that's pretty much good. And make sure you don't feel any wobble. I might tighten it up a little bit, that seems pretty loose. So you want to tighten it by quarter turns. Okay. And rework in all that grease. And that's perfect. And I'm not taking off my wheels or my brake or anything. And then you just get your bars. Let me see. Push it. And please work. Okay, let me stand up, put these on. Okay, I think that's on. Let me straighten up the wheel and everything. Ooh, that sounds dialed. Now that we got that all straightened up, you're just gonna want to get these bolts. And with good bolts that are greased and everything, and 6 mil bolts, you can probably tighten them down all the way so they don't move. This is a tilt clamp. This clamp's like godly strong. I love this clamp so much. It's a little bit heavy, but does it matter? No, not really. And then you're just gonna want to make sure that your wheel is aligned again. Okay. And now we'll take her all the way home and tighten it up nicely. And you want to tighten every bolt like a little bit at a time so you don't put stress on the clamp. And then once it's tightened, you're done. Alright, drop test. Yo. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hold on. This thing is like dialed right now. I don't even know what's happening. My scooter's never been this dialed. That's so sick. Let's go. All right, let me set this down. Now we're gonna be answering a couple questions that I got about my channel. All right, so Dom is one of my friends. He says, why does my hairline look like a 30-degree angle? Dude, I don't know. Genetics, figure it out. Oh, let's go on my Instagram now. And did I literally get what? Okay, well I didn't get questions, so I guess that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's been like a rough spell with me. I haven't been uploading. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna try to get my upload schedule on point for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.